Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make the most delicious cheesecake you've ever tasted. So here's what you need to get started. You're going to need 2 8-ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. You're going to need some heavy cream. We are going to use these delicious high-key snickerdoodle cookies to make our crust. Let's show you guys the macros here. And I'm going to use 3 of these. You're going to need some unsalted room temperature butter. I have 1 egg here, room temperature as well. We have some vanilla. You're going to need some sour cream. And then we have this delicious sugar-free strawberry topping. So let's get started. Also, you're going to need a food processor, or you can, crumble these up in a bag, in a Ziploc bag if you have one. And then I'm actually going to insert a clip here. I bought these adorable pans from Amazon about 3 years ago. And they're actually on sale now because I just looked for you guys. All right, so let's get started on this delicious cheesecake. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. This is a 9-inch pan. Okay guys, I just took this out the oven. It was in there for approximately 10 minutes. Look how delicious. It smells so good in here. So we're gonna let this cool off, and let's get started on our filling. Alright guys, I'm back. So we're gonna add 3/4 cup of sugar to this. And for this is a sugar-free cheesecake, so we're gonna go ahead and use the monk fruit sweetener. I'm gonna add some zest from a lemon. Add a little bit more. Beautiful. Okay, so let's set that aside, and now we're gonna make the rest of the filling. Look how beautiful it is already. All right, let's get these sides scraped. Okay guys, so we're gonna put this in a 350-degree preheated oven for a half hour. Let's get our cheesecake out of the oven. Okay guys, look how beautiful this is. So you still have that little jiggle in the center, and you can see the sides have set. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna let this cool off. We are gonna refrigerate this overnight and let it set properly. So in about a couple of hours, I'll cover the top with some saran wrap and I'll put it in the refrigerator. And then I'll get back to you guys tomorrow, and we'll go ahead and put our delicious strawberry sugar-free topping. Wonderful. If you guys can smell, it smells so good in here. It smells like the holidays. With the holidays being right around the corner, this will be the perfect dessert. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's the next day. I just took our cheesecake out and let's see how we're doing. That looks beautiful. Okay guys, look at our cheesecake. This is beautiful.